Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Camon 18, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector like this one, which should come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could just use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have something to pop out the tray, locate it at the top left side of the phone where the pin is holding right now. Push it in, and the tray will pop out. And here you can see we have SD tray on the top side, and then on the bottom side we have dual SIM support. So obviously you can occupy whichever spot you want for the SIM card, or both of them if you want to. I'll be using just one. Now for a tray that has a dual side, I would expect it to hold the SIM card, but it does not. So let's start off with the SD tray, which this one actually holds in place, as you can see. Then we're gonna flip it over and just pop our card on here, and we're just gonna flip the phone over instead. Otherwise the card would just fall out. Now once you insert the card, it should start working right away, as you can see it does for me. And SD card should work as well. And there it is. Tap to set up SD card. So both of them are working just fine. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.